All right, a quick update on Arc Block here. So we're going to zoom out to the monthly here in just a moment to keep things real simple on ABT here. But right now, low to the high, the bottom of this green box below the previous high from the wick on the chart, on the Gate IO chart here, by the way, is 195. But we are holding over the 236 as you can see here. So as long as the price is over about 172, we're currently at 185, up 9% on the week. I would say the bottom is in here, and the next couple of moves are going to be to the upside here on ABT. You can see here on the weekly chart, the stock RSI is above 50. That is a good sign there for a potential move up. Now, what we're going to simply do here before we zoom out to the monthly is draw a tiny fib going from the high to the low here. You can see we're above the 382. Let me move this a little bit tighter. But yeah, as long as you're over 182 down to that 172, I would say this thing is bullish to continue pushing. The next couple of prices, of course, is going to be getting back over that wick here, or that wick high from the past at 195, a 5% move, and the next stop after that is about 219, about an 18% move, and then up to the 618 at 263 would be about a 42% move, and then potentially over that 618 on the smaller high to the low, potential breakout to the upside. Maybe we'll finally hit that 1272 at 525 here. So with all that being said, before we get into how high this thing can potentially still go for this cycle, if we zoom out to the monthly chart here and we just simply look at the chart for what it is, you can clearly see, if we even draw a box here on the chart, that this general area here where we're holding up from these previous highs back here, it's a macro support area. So once this as a previous high or resistance, you can say we are now back above it, and we are now holding this area as support. And especially with these monthly candles here holding up over the low to the high 236 and a very large wick here, this is looking like a bottom to me here. So on the macro scale, I think that's it. I think it's not going to go any lower than it is here on Arc Block. So looking good here. So with that being said, how high can this thing still potentially go? Going from where we are today in price at 185, we do have our couple of targets here. Let's get into the first one here, the high. Let me go ahead and just zoom this out to the monthly so we can see it better. We do have the 19 billion market cap to the 2272, almost $200, and a 106x on your investment for Arc Block, if you think it can hit a $19 billion market cap. And then we have our more conservative prices here. Maybe you take profit at these prices and just let a moonbag ride to see if it is going to hit that market cap. But we have the 1.8, just under 2 billion, $18.44 at the 1618, and that's where you're going to get a decent 10x out of this thing. And then if it doesn't even hit a billion market cap and you want to be super conservative, 867 million to the 1414 at about 880 is going to give you a 4.5, almost a 5x out of Arc Block for this cycle. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.